This is the Tecno Camon 20 Premium 5G with all the needed accessories in the box. Now there is few changes that have been made here and there. Some for good when some are not so good. First of all, let's start with the design trace here. Instead of going with the traditional back glass design that you expected, they have chosen to go with the leather back design. The design has this cut pattern that is not so bad. The advantage of using this leather back design is that leather is more durable than glass or plastic. It cannot be easy to crack. And for the display, this phone came with 6.6-inch 120Hz 1080p AMOLED display. Wow, it looks really good and feel really good. And with the 120Hz refresh rate, it runs pretty smooth. Wow, I can't really complain. And you can also put the phone on 60Hz or 90Hz if you wish to do so. And for the gaming experience, everything looks vibrant. I don't see any lag. And for the performance, this uses the MediaTek Dimensity 850 processor. Wow, this is the processor that came with Tecno Camon 20 Premium 5G. Inside the box, we get the Tecno Camon 20 Premium. Then we are gonna get this nice looking case, which always you can just use without going to buy a new case. Then there is a 45 watts charger inside the box, which is good to see that Tecno phones still come with charger inside the box. Wow, this is so impressive. You get the USB Type-C headphone and also the USB Type-C cable. These are all the accessories that came with this phone. At the bottom, you see the SIM card tray, which takes up 2 SIM cards without no space of SD card, and also the USB Type-C port and the down firing speaker. When moving to the top, you will see the second speaker and the microphone outlet as well. At this point, you might be asking yourself, where is the headphone jack, because I haven't mentioned it. You can't see it because Tecno made this phone without the headphone jack. The phone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. 8GB of hardware RAM is more than enough for everyday people, so you won't have no issue. Multitasking, switching within app is so fast. Wow, this is my review of Tecno Camon 20 Premium 5G. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Another thing that impressed me on this device is because of this phone came with 5000 mAh battery. That impressed me so much. And for the photos, this phone came with 108MP back camera. These are some of the pictures taken with the Tecno Camon 20 Premium 5G. When looking at it, the pictures taken with this device is okay for its price range. Well, I can't really complain. Well, for the night mode, the pictures is okay when looking at it. And for the video experience, I can't really complain. I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second. The video quality is okay when looking at it.